back here on Kent's Fifth Avenue, getting ready to get the door panel apart so we can replace this lock switch. So I have gotten new ones. Well, not new, used, new to us. And then we need to dig in up here and figure out why our power mirrors aren't working. The switch feels good, actually. So I'm gonna check that. I wanna check fuses, but we know our door lock switch on the driver's side has not been working. So we wanna dig in and make sure and see what is going on. So first thing we do is we remove the speaker grill here with the frog leg style fasteners. Got to get this last one out in here. And then we take out the courtesy lamp lens. And we'll go from there. So in order to get the panel off, there are a lot of hidden screws underneath this little piece of carpet. And of course they were just held on from the factory with double-sided tape, which is ridiculous. So we're gonna have to hit this with a little spray glue when we're done. But coming apart. Okay, we've got our door panel off after we took out the few screws that were hiding under the carpet. And got our door lock switch disconnected. Going to undo the screws. Let me show you on the replacement one, because it's out. It's a lot easier. We had to buy a whole assembly, of course, because no one would just sell me the switch, and all the ones you find at the store are incorrect. Okay, so you just saw the door locks work. We're now chasing the power mirrors, and it looks like it was disconnected in the door the entire time, but the connector doesn't jive. It's really strange. Like, it looks the same, but note the tabs don't jive. So I might shave this tab off and plug it in and try it. All right, so the power mirrors, they were backwards on the connector. So we filed it to try to make it fit, but we have no power here in the harness to the power mirrors. So chasing away, making sure we key on and key off, seeing what we got going on. It's kind of an odd situation. But so we chased down the mirrors, and there's no power going through the door. There's no power at the connector that comes into the door. So we chased it, and there's no harness to the other door, nor is there a power lead to that. So I gotta say, it's probably a factory incomplete at this point, because we've chased everything and there's nothing. So we're gonna have to either A, hunt those harnesses, B, make them our own, or just let her be. Also, there's been a rattle in here. That's why everything's taped. We put a little adhesive in there, try to hold it, try to get it to stick the best we can. The thing is they were stuck on from the factory from double-sided tape. So it is what it is. Trying to get it as good as we can. Same with this piece here. So last night, put a little adhesive down for Kent, because this was loose. It's all secure now. And this piece was loose. It's all secure now too. Kent Fifth Avenue, complete, done. Beautiful.